Welcome to our video on 5 best fishing gear for ultimate angling success. Top fishing boxes, reels, jackets, and more. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Multifunction Fishing Box. The 42L Multifunction Fishing Box is the ultimate solution for anglers who need versatility and storage on the go. Whether you're out for a short fishing trip or an extended stay, this fishing gear barrel offers everything you need. With adjustable legs that range from 1 to 15 centimeters, you can easily modify the height to suit your environment. The durable ABS engineering plastic, aviation aluminum alloy, and stainless steel parts make this box both lightweight and incredibly sturdy. Inside, you'll find ample space, with a 42L capacity, to store all your fishing tools and accessories. The dimensions of the inner box are 59 by 27 by 26 centimeters, providing plenty of room for all your fishing necessities. The box is also equipped with a 4-legged lifting table, making it highly convenient to organize your gear on-site. Weighing between 8.4 kilograms and 10.3 kilograms with accessories, this fishing box is durable and reliable for long-term use. Perfect for the angler who needs everything organized and easily accessible. Number 4. SHIMANO Curado Baitcasting Reel. The SHIMANO 21 Curado BFS XG Baitcasting Fishing Reel is an excellent choice for anglers looking for precision and smooth performance. With an 8.2 to 1 gear ratio and 7+1 bearings, this reel offers a fast retrieve, which is ideal for finesse fishing and catching those elusive species. The maximum drag capacity of 3.5 kilograms ensures that you can handle bigger fish without any issues. Featuring Shimano's renowned micromodule gear and finesse tune brake system, the Curado BFS provides a silky smooth casting experience, reducing line friction and improving accuracy. Made from durable metal, the reel is built to withstand the rigors of both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Its lightweight design and comfortable feel make it perfect for all-day use, whether you're fishing from a boat, beach, or on a lake. The SHIMANO Curado BFS is a top-of-the-line baitcasting reel that offers performance and durability to help you make your catch of the day. Number 3. Heated Jacket. The washable USB charging and heating jacket is an essential piece of gear for any angler who enjoys fishing in colder weather. This cotton hooded jacket is not only comfortable but also functional, featuring electric heating that provides warmth during chilly outdoor trips. The jacket can be powered by a variety of power banks with USB power delivery, ensuring that you'll stay warm even in the coldest conditions. Number 2. Aquarium Oxygen Pump. The Aquarium Oxygen Air Pump Compressor is an excellent addition to your fishing gear, especially for anglers who own aquariums or engage in outdoor fishing. This mini-submersible pump is powered by a 2,600 mAh battery, providing extended use for larger fish tanks or outdoor fishing setups. The pump operates ultra-quietly, ensuring your fish are not disturbed. With dual air stone outlets, it effectively increases oxygen flow, helping maintain a healthy environment for your fish. The USB charging capability makes it easy to power up on the go, whether you're out fishing or need it for your aquarium. Its low power consumption and silent operation make it an energy-efficient option, while the portable design allows you to bring it with you to remote fishing locations. This oxygen pump is perfect for both tank owners and outdoor anglers who need to oxygenate their catch or keep their fish thriving in an aquarium. Number 1. GPS Nest Fishing Boat. The intelligent remote-controlled GPS Nest Boat is a groundbreaking tool for anglers who want to take their fishing game to the next level. This automatic bait boat is equipped with GPS positioning and a one-key return function, making it incredibly easy to use. Whether you're fishing on a lake or at sea, this boat can navigate to your desired location with pinpoint accuracy, and it will automatically return to you when you need it. With a 10,000 mAh battery, the boat has a long battery life of about 5 hours, allowing you to spend more time fishing and less time worrying about battery life. The boat also features 3 bait containers, so you can easily transport and distribute your bait wherever you need it. Made from high-quality ABS and stainless steel, this bait boat is built to last and can handle rough water conditions. With a streamlined hull for increased stability, it's perfect for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. If you're serious about your fishing and want to improve efficiency, this GPS Nest fishing boat is an essential tool for modern anglers. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.